I'm going to show you the fix for Instagram update, or maybe your password is wrong. So first of all, if you have just updated your Instagram app and if it's not working, immediately restart your device. After restarting your device, launch your Instagram and see if it changes anything. If it's working fine, then go ahead, go about using Instagram. If it's not working, then you're going to have to launch your settings application. Scroll below, select apps, and search for Instagram. We will clear some cache. So type in Instagram and then open it. Here, scroll below, select storage and then clear cache. Now once you do that, if it's still not working and if it is showing login errors, you're going to have to reset your Instagram password. So open a browser, type in reset Instagram password, then select reset password. Now, even though you're trying to reset your password, make sure that you know at least your phone number or email address associated with your Instagram. Type in that, select continue, then follow the on-screen prompt, and you will be able to fix your problem. Thank you for watching.